Yeah, you won't be able to see me. But right now, as you can see right now, so the phone will be set aside. We don't need that. As you can see right now, we're unboxing a Blackweb SoundPlay Bluetooth speaker. So far from the outside, it has a little bit damage to it, but that was me. It went and the bag hit a wall right there, and it went and damaged the box a little bit. But so far, it looks pretty slick. I would say that it would be a pretty good speaker. It's lightweight. Right here it says that it's wireless, Bluetooth speaker, obviously. It has 6 hours of battery life, so it seems like a pretty good speaker so far. So let's open this up. What are we opening here? This box is very different. I just rip it open. Get this open. Okay, basic control. Don't really get what this is for, but whatever. Okay. A big, huge cube.
Welcome.
Ooh.
Waiting to connect to Bluetooth device.
Okay, so now, before I mess around with the other stuff, let's get to it. So let's see. Let's see. What we're doing. Blox speaker, that's what I'm guessing it is.
Connected to Bluetooth device.
Sweet. Okay. So now let's look at the other stuff before we start messing with it. So, right here we got Blox portable Bluetooth speaker. Instruction guide, all that good stuff. Looks like it says problem. Okay, problems, whatever, shows the buttons, play and pause, call and answering, yeah, microphone right there, charging indicator, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input, micro USB charging port, and a mode indicator. It's Bluetooth 2.1, so that's good. It's by Blackweb. I know you see a lot of Blackweb stuff, but here's the reason for that. So Blackweb, not only that they're I like their product, it's just that because Blackweb, so when I was looking at the speakers, I went ahead and I saw Blackweb and then another one. The other one didn't look like it had good quality or anything, and then Blackweb said that it had pretty good quality, and I thought, well, I featured Blackweb before, so maybe Blackweb, I'll feature it again. So here we are, and so far we got the Blox. That was called. So let's go ahead and let's go find some tunes. God damn it. Speaker is so I have some music up here. The one thing that seems like it should be pretty good from the speaker is that it's coming from two sides, not just one big side. So let's go ahead and see. Let's see about like turning the volume up and down. See if it says anything. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't do anything until you hit max volume, which I like that. That's especially really nice. Let's listen to this. And you'd probably see it on camera up above the screen. There we go. So right now this is at full volume, so I mean I would say it's pretty good, so yeah. Pause and play button works really nice. See how well we can hear it. Okay, now it's pretty much fully covered as much as I could. And this is also at full volume, and you'd still hear it pretty good. As you can see on GoPro, it's go ahead and showing that it's fully covered. As you can see right there and there. Yeah, so I think it works pretty good. Now it's time to go for the real sound, the actual good sound. Oh my.
Look, I was going to go easy on you, not to hurt your feelings, but I'm only going to get this one chance.
Man, that was bad. Coming back. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. I need to end this fast, I guess. But so far it looks pretty good. Speaker works out pretty good. On the bottom right here, it looks like it's able to have, like, I don't know, something get peeling off. And I don't know if I should peel this off in case it's like sticky part. But let's try it. Ooh, looks pretty good. So let's end this video off with some little music. I'll see you later. Peace out. Shiny. Shiny. Ooh. But so far